At opening statements today in the trial of Jacob Krinn and Troy Henricksen. The two are charged in the alleged hazing death of BGSU student Stone Foltz. WTOL 11's Ariel Onstadt. She joins us live from the grounds of the courthouse there in Wood County. So, Ariel, both sides laying out their case today. Tell us about it.
Jeff, yes, both sides getting to lay out their opening statements, and it's within this that we got to see how each side really wants to handle this case. Prosecutors are saying that both Troy Henricksen and Jacob Krinn facilitated Stone Foltz's death by planning a party where dangerous activities would be happening and by giving him a 1-liter bottle of Evan Williams bourbon. However, the defense says that their clients are innocent, but the reason why they say is that this is a terrible tragedy, but it's a tragedy in search of a crime. Now let's take a look at what is central to this case. Central to this case is the Big Little reveal party that happened March 4th, 2021. It was at that party that new members of the Pi Kappa Alpha fraternity would find out who their bigs are, the mentors within the fraternity. Undisputed is that Troy Henricksen served as the new member educator for the fraternity, showing new members what they had to do in order to join. Jacob Krinn was Stone Foltz's big, giving him that bottle of alcohol the night of the party. Here's where we get to what each side is arguing. The prosecution says even though Henricksen wasn't there the night of the party, he planned the event and knew that dangerous activities would be happening. They also argue that Krinn gave Foltz the alcohol with tradition, expecting he would drink it as quickly as possible. The prosecutor says Foltz drank that 1-liter bottle in roughly 30 minutes. Krinn's defense attorney, however, argues that no evidence is going to show Foltz was physically compelled to drink. Further, he argues Krinn stayed with Foltz after dropping him off at home before he was found unresponsive by his roommate. Henricksen's attorney argues his client didn't even attend the party and was truthful when questioned by police. Both sides are laying out some of the evidence we're going to hear, like the 911 call when Stone Foltz was found, as well as video evidence of that party. We're also learning within this case about the jury as well. So looking at this, it is evenly divided between men and women. Most of them are older, all are white. Now there are 12 jurors and 4 alternates. That was a big thing that both the defense and prosecution wanted with COVID-19 and other concerns. Coming up at 6, I'm going to break down a little bit more on the charges of what these two men face, why they face it, and why the hazing aspect is so important to the case. For now, reporting live in Bowling Green, I'm Ariel Onstadt, WTOL 11.
Ariel, thank you. BGSU releasing a statement today as the trial entered its second day. The Dean of Students and other officials saying in part, quote, above all, during this challenging period, our thoughts continue to be with the Foltz family. The tragedy of Stone's death has forever shaped our community. It continues to be on each of us, one of us, every student, faculty, staff, and community member to ensure that Stone is never forgotten.